Hello, we are Team TBG. It was found that Malaysia Airlines plane M370 deviated from her usual route. Deviation from route, whether plane or vessel, is a security concern for governments. Our system detects route deviation in speed and time. It flags up spoofing, where vessels assume another's identity to escape detection, vessels that switch off transponders to hide their location, piracy attacks where vessels are hijacked and brought back to home base, and where vessels are stopped due to theft. With that, I'll pass on to Jeff for the demo.
Okay, thank you very much, Gloria. Gloria? Yes, so this is our system. We're using Google Maps. You can see the AI's data. We put in about 60 million rows of data. And we have color-coded it according to POCC. We got a bit of, we have red for tankers here, green for the alpha mics, and brown for the tugboats. So you can take a look, and when you click on any of the items, you can see the ship name, ship type, the folder of the thing, the lat long, as well as the Copen speed. Okay, and also we have what we call the, this is actually called the history of the target, and actually we color-coded the colors. So what you have is yellow if it's moving very fast, and red if it's moving very slowly. So any of you, if you don't like the red and magenta, if you're ex-Navy, you prefer this kind of look. So this is what we call the C2 look. Hopefully you prefer that one. So now we go on to suspicious vessels. So which are the suspicious vessels that we have seen? We have actually targeted 5 of them, but we'll show you 3 today. The first one over here is Hanjin Tabu. You can see what we have over here is that the AIS data is not moving. You can see that it's very spread out apart. It could be because the AIS transponder is not working, or that they're intentionally switching them off when they're moving to different locations. Next one, please. Can you go to the one? Yeah, so Universal Queen is a bit more interesting. You can see over here, if you just zoom out a bit, is that zoom out, well, not so, zoom out a bit, and you can see it actually comes from Serangoon Port. And when it comes down the traffic separation scheme down southwest, it actually starts switching between 2 back and forth. It could be either AIS data failure, or in this case, it looks more likely that there's a spoofing. So what happens is that one of the vessels actually went down southwest, while the other one actually went down towards the right of Batam. The next one we have, this is actually the most interesting one. This is Star Ruby. Star Ruby actually comes from Pengerang. You can see it comes from Pengerang. It goes all the way down south, just south of the traffic separation scheme, and it hovers in the area. It's moving very slowly. You can see in red, but it's not at anchor. So what is it doing? It's doing. You can see the blue lines over there is actually the high-speed ferry routes between Tanah Merah Ferry Terminal and Bintan, Tanjung Pinang, as well as Bintan Lagoon Resort. So this is a concern because we do not want that vessel to be directly in the center of where we are actually having our high-speed ferries going across. So with that, we can see how we have helped the POCC operators increase their productivity. Instead of seeing one whole big mess of items over here, we're now narrowing it down to only these 5 vessels that they need to be concerned about. This is real data. You can take a look at that vessel. And with that, we're done. And this is the data that we're using. We're using a NoSQL, RavenDB, and a statistical model for the route deviation. Thank you very much.